In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a progressive blur in Figma. If you're looking to add a subtle touch of depth or highlight a specific part of your designs, a progressive blur effect can be an excellent tool in your designer's toolbox. Follow along as we go through the steps to achieve this effect in a clean and simple manner. To begin, open your Figma project. It's important that you have your project loaded up and ready to go before you dive into this tutorial. Take a moment to locate the project you're working on and ensure everything's set up for a seamless process. With your project open, the next step is to select the layer that you intend to apply the progressive blur effect to. This could be an image, a shape, or even text, depending on the creative direction of your design. Use the selection tool in Figma to click on the desired layer. Be precise here, as the blur effect will only apply to the selected element. Once you've selected the layer, it's time to head over to the Properties panel on the right-hand side of the Figma interface. Look for the Effects section, and it's often situated just below the Fill and Stroke options, and this is where the magic happens. Click on Effects to unveil additional options. Now that you're in the Effects section, you'll see a drop-down menu often labeled as Effects Settings. Click on this drop-down menu to explore various effects options that Figma provides. Among these, you'll find familiar ones like shadows and glows, but we're looking for something specific today. Scroll through the options and locate the layer blur. Selecting this will start to apply a basic blur to the entire layer you've chosen. The layer blur option is fundamental as it lays the groundwork for the progressive effect that we're aiming to achieve. After selecting layer blur, you'll notice an option labeled progressive. This is the key feature that allows you to create a gradient-like blur effect that gradually intensifies across your layer. It's a simple toggle within the blur settings, so go ahead and select it to see its immediate impact. Finally, it's time to customize the blur according to your design needs. Figma allows you to adjust parameters such as the intensity and direction of the blur. Play around with these settings to see how different values affect your design. Use your creativity and judgment to decide on what's visually appealing and aligns best with your project goals. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a progressive blur effect to your design in Figma. This technique not only adds a professional touch to your projects, but also enhances the visual storytelling by drawing attention to key focal points. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you elevate your design work.